Hi, my name is Maria McGuinness and I'm a PhD researcher at the School of Bees, University College Cork and MaREI. I'm investigating the movements of a jellyfish, Muggiaea atlantica, around the southwest Irish coast. The reason we're investigating this particular jellyfish is because it causes problems for the salmon aquaculture industry. It's quite small and it can drift through the mesh of the salmon cages, impacting the health of the salmon. However, this jellyfish cannot survive the cold winter temperatures here in Ireland, and so it's only a seasonal visitor in the summer. Therefore, we're investigating where this jellyfish actually comes from. There is a well-known population of Muggiaea atlantica in the Western English Channel near Plymouth, and previous work on harmful algal blooms has shown how a seasonal coastal current can transport large amounts of algae from the Western English Channel into Irish waters. So we are hypothesising that it is the same mechanism of transport by which Muggiaea atlantica arrives in Irish waters. In order to investigate this, our team went on a research survey last August 2021 on board the RV Celtic Voyager. We used a CTD, so a connectivity temperature depth meter, to get a picture of the water column and figure out where the coastal current actually was. Once we knew this, we could then pick stations within the current itself, inshore of the current and offshore of the current to take zooplankton samples, and from these we would figure out whether Muggiaea atlantica was being transported in the coastal current or not. So we did this along 4 transects around the Cork coast, one at the Old Head of Kinsale, one at Gallyhead, one at Baltimore, and one bisecting Bantry Bay. We now have preliminary results from our first transect at the Old Head of Kinsale, and what we found was that there were similar numbers of Muggiaea atlantica within the current and inshore of it. However, there is very little, if any, Muggiaea atlantica in the offshore samples. So what this tells us is that the Celtic Sea is not the source of Muggiaea atlantica in Irish waters, and this also provides evidence for transport of Muggiaea atlantica within the coastal current. However, the source of this population is still unclear. Once we analyse the remaining samples, we will have a much better picture of the movements of Muggiaea atlantica. Our takeaway for now is that the Celtic Sea is not the source of Muggiaea atlantica and that the current can transport Muggiaea atlantica around the southwest coast of Ireland. We will be going to sea again next August 2023 to repeat this study in order to increase our knowledge further. Thanks for listening.